Today we're checking out this Superchips Flashpack F5 tuner for the 2002 to 2012 4.7 liter Ram 1500s. This tuner is a great option for Ram owners looking to unlock hidden horsepower and torque, fine-tune performance, and gain greater control over their truck's powertrain with a handheld, user-friendly device. The standout feature of this Flashpack's F5 tuner is the ability to optimize your truck's engine and transmission performance through the multiple preloaded tunes. These include performance, towing, and economy, allowing you to tailor your truck's behavior based on your specific needs. Whether you're looking to max out the power on the open road or for better fuel economy during those daily commutes, the Flashpack has a tune that's ready to go, and it makes switching between those tunes very simple depending on your needs in the moment. One of the key benefits of this tuner is the noticeable boost in horsepower and torque you get right away when you apply the tune. You can expect improved throttle response, quicker acceleration, and increased towing performance. The power gains are especially helpful for trucks running oversized tires or hauling heavy loads, as the tuner can help correct shift points and gear ratios for smoother drivability. In addition to the performance gains, the Flashpack also allows you to make minor adjustments and custom adjustments to the settings like tire size, gear ratio, speed limiter, rev limiter, and many more. This makes it a great tool for lifted or modified trucks that require recalibration to maintain proper speedometer readings and drivability. This tuner also acts as a diagnostics tool by reading and clearing those diagnostic trouble codes, saving you time and money and eliminating the need for a separate code reader. It's a high-resolution color screen and user-friendly interface with nice manageable buttons, easy to navigate through those menus, and installing the tunes are simple, even for the first-time users. This device features a nice compact body and a handheld design with a full color screen, responsive navigation buttons, and rugged casing built for garage and shop environments. It connects really easily to your truck's OBD2 port with the attached OBD2 port cable, and it also has a USB cable for internet updates and access to the latest calibrations and firmware updates from Superchips. Now, as far as the pricing goes on this tuner, it's coming in right around that $500 price range. So for the combination of performance tuning, diagnostic capabilities, and a custom adjustability that it offers, it's worthwhile investment for Ram 1500 owners looking to get the most out of their truck. Installation on this is plug and play, very simple, so it's getting rated just a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and the entire process should take you about 20 minutes to get it plugged in and set up your new tune. Now let's see exactly how that install works with an install video from one of our American Trucks customers.
The first thing it's going to say is to go to the website for a software update. So I'm going to go ahead and plug it in and let the software update. Now that we got the programmer all updated, let's go out to the truck and get this thing programmed. First step is finding the OBD2 port. Let's tune the truck. All that you have to do is just follow the step-by-step instructions on the programmer and it'll walk you right through it. We got 5 different options of tuning: Performance 93, Performance 91, Tow, 81 octane, and Mileage Saver. So not only can we tune, we can also calibrate. We can calibrate the rev limiter, the speedo, which I've already adjusted to max, so I don't have a rev limiter. Then you have the gear ratio, which I'll leave alone. Tire size, I already have it set to 34.5, ready to go. And then we got shift points 1 and 2, 2 and 3, 3 and 4, fan temp, MDS, DOD. So again, you'll just follow through with the prompts. Turn the key off. Turn the key on. And then you're ready to roll.
That's going to wrap up our review and install of the Superchips Flashpack F5 tuner for the 2002 to 2012 4.7 liter Ram 1500s. And for all things Ram, keep it right here at American Trucks.